Good find, Hannah.
Is that awesome? Ooh. I'm making dinner with the chicken of the woods mushroom that we found the other day. We found a 10-pound chicken of the woods mushroom. This is kind of what's left of it. The mycelia kind of like is starting to cover it, so it's less vibrant, but still good. I just cut it up the long way, or just, you know, into like these gigantic pieces. Put some coconut oil in the pan. I'm just kind of like leaving it until it gets crispy. And then, let's see. And I'm flipping it. I'm excited to try these. I'm serving up the soup. It's like a coconut milk base with asparagus, fennel, yellow squash. I'm like jiggling. Yellow squash, sea kale, and broccoli greens from our greenhouse. Sea kale and those two greens are from our greenhouse. And I'm gonna put the mushrooms on. Yeah. And hold the GoPro at the same time. The mushrooms got like really crispy in the coconut oil, and they're like a sponge. They absorb the salt, so they're gonna be so good. Look at that! Look at that dinner. I'm gonna go give this to Steve.
Oh, wow. Soup?
Yeah. Wait, you're gonna need a fork and a spoon.
I know I need a spork.